Welcome again. Today we are looking at the demand and supply. So I moved from the Elliott wave. Now I am on demand and supply. So we will check the demand zones, the supply zones, and whatsoever, and how we can use this demand and supply to trade or to place our trades. So before we continue, ensure that you subscribe, you share this video, and you like, comment, give your views and how you see this demand and supply, and your knowledge. Again, you can share on the comment section so that other people can also benefit from what you know. Okay, so today I am showing you demand and supply. First, what is demand? What is supply? For business, people know what is demand, what is supply. They have done it in school and they know the demand zone, high demand in the market, what happens if there is high supply in the market, what happens. First, in the market, I will first show you simple way to understand the demand and supply. First, let me draw a line like that one and another one here down. So this is the demand. This is what we call the areas of demand. So I will use this one. I'll name it as the demand. Demand is also called areas of accumulation. Accumulation zone. So let me change this color to something like red. So this is the demand or accumulation zone. Then we will have this as our supply. So this one will be supply. Supply is also called area of high distribution. Distribution. So I can increase the font about 18. So this is the supply or distribution. This is the demand. I can edit this to make it 18 as well. So the demand is always down. So when the demand is high, what we are expecting, when there is an area of demand, we expect the market to go up. When there is high supply or distribution, the market goes down. Okay, so market moves in this direction. So in simple, I'm putting this simple because I don't want to give you what again you can read for yourself and understand. I want to give you these based on my knowledge and what I use to trade, my personal knowledge. So do not compare what I am giving out here with whatever that is in other books and whatsoever. So I'm giving my knowledge of the based on my experience and what I have discovered in the market and how I apply demand and supply. So here I will love to demonstrate how I trade using the demand and supply. So for me, I view the market as this. Once the market is moving up, it will have some consolidation or areas of demand. Then we have other areas. It goes up, it will have another areas, then it will go up to certain point where it will have areas of distribution, then comes down another area of distribution, then this is what we call redistribution. That is mean the re is for the repeated process. Then the market goes again, areas of distribution, then comes down another distribution. You see? Let me rub this one. I think my marker is misbehaving. Okay, let me stop there. Okay, as we were saying, this you can see the areas. This is an area of distribution, that is demand, accumulation, another accumulation, another accumulation, another accumulation, 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 and accumulation. Okay, once you reach here, there is a distribution. Now the market is changing. There is a failed swing. If you check, if we can have I'm experiencing I'm experiencing some technical issue, but let me do this. So now we are from square zero. Now we have I have cleared everything. Oh no, yeah. So yeah, we have our demand, the accumulation zone, and now I want to show you how to find these zones, the zones that I was telling you. Now we have said that it moves like this. We have then we have another zone, then another zone, then this one forms another accumulation, then another accumulation, another accumulation. Now what you should avoid as a trader is to ensure that you do not sell on these accumulation area. Many traders go wrong because this is where they place their trades. They place wrong trades. They do not understand why the market is accumulating. They think that the market is tired of moving towards that direction. In this case, this is different. So as an expert in Forex, we'll look at this market and tell you, no, that is not a sell, that is not a buy. Okay, we look at the areas of we look at the demand on this pair. This is a Euro USD. So we are checking it Euro as the base currency and also the USD as a quote currency. So we check it. These we see what we are having here. So here is where we will have I try to correct this. Now for me, I will use this as an area of demand. I demand this point. high demand or accumulation. Then this one is what we call an uptrend, but in this case I will call it a markup phase. This one I will name it as a markup. This one I will name it as a markup. A mark up phase. Okay, think you are following. This is a markup phase. Then we go to the point of high distribution. You can see the point of high distribution. This is now the point of high distribution. You can see now this is what is we can link this with this. This is a point of high distribution. At this point we are expecting market to correct or start moving down. Okay, so this is what we call again the markdown phase. This is the markdown phase. This is now the markdown phase, what we are experiencing now, and this is what is there in the market. I'm not doing a dummy thing. So the markdown phase is here. I can name it for you not to forget this. Wow, why is that? Okay, so here this one I'll name it as the markdown. The markdown down phase. This should be, I've separated them for you to see them well. So this is the markdown phase. With this one shows that the area of accumulation. Now, how do you determine the areas of accumulation and areas of distribution? That is the demand and supply. You see, as I have said, if you check on this one was okay. You can see the way it was. Should I rub this tool? Yeah. Can clean a little there. You can use here. There was a supply, there is the dance, another one, then it came down, there was another one, okay, went, there is another one, went, there is another one. So there is in every wave there are small supplies and distribution, supply and demand areas. So if you check well, I want you to check well. Let me remove that. We have a naked chart. Then I will zoom for you to see well. I think you will forget what we have done. Then before I explain using, I can change the properties of this for you to see well. Like bull bear candle. This is what is confusing us here. So yeah. We check these. I want us to use the demand and supply is here, what we are having. So check the zones that I am marking. These are the key zones. These are the key zones that I am marking. So we have this one. We also have this one. Okay. So these are small redistribution. There was the main distribution. Let me show you the main distribution. The main distribution was here. This was the main distribution. This was the main distribution. Then it started going down. So now that is why we are here now. That is how we are here. You see, these are small distribution. These are small distribution. I don't know whether you are getting whatever that I am saying. Let me explain it clearly for you to get it, because I know some traders are new. This is the main area of supply, and after the market has received a lot of supply from the all activities, the transactions and whatsoever, the drivers of forex market, it is now moving down. It is now moving down. It has broke the what we call the distribution zone. I do not want to use consolidation on what, because we are on supply zone. We are on the demand and supply. Okay. Then we go to the markdown and markup. This is the markup. This is the markdown. Okay. This is the markdown now, going down. It's from just the uptrade that we know, the uptrade and the downtrade. Okay, once the distribution is high, so here there was a lot of supply. Okay, there was a lot of supply, and the market is going down. Now this market will not go down as a straight line. It will form areas of distribution, redistribution. You see, please ensure that you trade these areas downwards, not up. You do not have to sell. And if you think that I am wrong, today we are on 20th February 20 date 20 Feb 2023 2023, sorry. So you can check the market, how it behaved, and how this market will behave for the next 1 month or two. It will be going down. Okay, what we will be experiencing is just the small areas or zones of redistribution from the areas we were looking at of the demand. You see, so here is where we had a large demand that made the market to go up, to have an uptrade swing, or the markup phase. This one. And please, as you can see, the market was not going up just like that. It was forming the waves as it was going up. You can see this is what we are talking about. This one, then it goes up. This one, it goes up. This one goes up. Another one goes down. Another one goes up. So the market is not moving towards a straight line. It is making the small consolidation point and redemand areas where the demand that is a reaccumulation areas. Okay, so yeah, that is how it has been. Okay, we have the demand again, we have the areas, and again this is what we call the rally. In this there is a place used, even though I don't like using those terms, because for new traders they get confused when experienced traders or the people who have explored market for many years use those terms to confuse them. I love using the flat term. There are a lot of terms that are used. This one you'll find it being called a rally, a rally, a rally, a rally. Is it? Yeah, that is being called something like a rally. I don't know who came up with this name. So this one called a rally, something of the sort. So it's as simple as that. Then this one, there is the rally. Then this one is called, this one is normal. It's a drop. They did not use a complicated name. This one is called now a drop. So they call it a drop. You see, yeah. So a drop. This one now it's a drop. It's a drop. The market is dropping. So yes, so that is simple as demand and supply. Now, how can you trade this? How can you trade the demand and supply? In a demand and supply, let me demonstrate it well without using the market. That is the chart. Then I will use the chart. Now, in areas of here there was a demand. Market broke up, moved up, formed another retracement. Just draw some trend line on that. Once the market breaks up at this point, place your buy position. Your buy. In distribution, once we have experienced very high distribution at this point, this one and this one, once the market breaks the distribution zone and comes down, please place your sell position. Place your sell. Your sell. Place your sell position. Okay? And stop loss put above. This is where SL is placed, just above the distribution zone. Place your stop loss there. You will be good. You will be good to go. Then on demand as well, you have your what? Then you have your first phase, and it breaks. You can place your buy position there. Okay. Put stop loss here. SL. Stop loss there. And ride the market. Ride the market till you are tired with it. Relax. This is a strategy for swing traders, not for scalpers. So it is as simple as that. I do not want to complicate things. You can practice whatever that I have said, and if you have a question on whatever that I have said about demand and supply, kindly inbox, kindly comment, and reach out. We can discuss, and again we improve on this strategy. But it is one of the effective strategy that gives you around 97%. I know a lot of people will not agree with me on this, but it will give you around 97% if you use it very well. If you use very well with the proper risk management. Again, ensure that your profit to loss ratio is around, your profit to loss ratio is 1 is to 3. So here ensure that your profit to loss ratio is 1 is to 3. Okay, so with that you will get 97% win on demand and supply strategy. Okay, ensure that your ratio, you do not close a trade prematurely. Wait for the trade to mature, then you can close your trade. You do not have to close your trade before it matures. Okay, so trade it this market. Look at the market the way I am approaching it, as a simple, clear, and something like the water that you take each and every day, each and every minute. So ensure that you observe that. Risk management takes, here the strategy will give you around 50%. The risk management will give you 47% to make it 97. Other 3 is just like we cannot have it 100%. Okay, so see you. Ensure that you share this video for the people who might be interested in it with your friends, and subscribe, and we continue. I will give you the next in the next video. I will show you how to use simple support and resistance zones. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Yeah, how to clear this, you can see how I am clearing this. Object list, we have a list of objects. We delete them, we delete all. Okay, so our charts are good. Ensure that you subscribe. Okay, thank you.